Good morning. Today is 7th of October. It is a Tuesday. Just a quick analysis on NQ and ES. So going to the daily time frame, as you can see, NQ tapped this daily fair value gap, left a bearish candle which got engulfed yesterday. It didn't, however, close above Friday's high, but it did engulf that move. So this is showing me that we still want to create more all-time highs. The only issue there is ES didn't take Friday's high and didn't create all-time highs. SMTs there obviously could reverse, could go lower. However, from looking at the price action, I'm not just looking at the SMTs to confirm the full move. Maybe yesterday the SMT did give the move, and today that could be the target for ES to go higher, relative equal highs. Going down to the 6 hour. Okay, not much going on ES. It just looks like a lot of accumulation. However, on NQ, it looks like a nice 6 hour tap FVG. Again, created this order block, closed above it, created a fair value gap, created another fair value gap. Now it's tapped that fair value gap, and it looks like this first candle got engulfed. It wants to push higher. So overall, I am bullish. On the 4 hour, similar kind of concept. Came down for a fair value gap, tap, left to create a fair value gap, create another fair value gap, and it's moving down and it's about to push up. However, just to let you know, I am in a short right now, and I will explain the reason why. As you can see here, the 1 hour fair value gap, there's two of them. This one has been inversed, and in this leg up, it did create another fair value gap, and it also inverts this fair value gap. So currently, it looks like price wants to push up, but again, I will get to why I'm in a short. So going down to the lower time frames, I'll go down to the 5 minute, and it does look like I'm about to be stopped here. However, I'll explain the trade. I look at session SMTs, which is one of my favorite scenarios to get enter a trade. As you can see, New York opened, it came down here. Here is a 30-minute fair value gap. So as you can see, it tapped the 30-minute. Yes, did the same. Initially, I was wanting to long. As you can see, from here, it tapped up, inverses bearish fair value gap. But I wanted to see more how it reacts in this fair value gap. If this give me an entry, a 30-second entry to go higher, I'd have gone higher. However, this came rushing down, which told me this is a manipulation, and it wants to go lower. However, as you can see now, it's about to stop me out. But that's the main reason for the entry. SMT with ES at London highs, change state of delivery, disrespecting this 30-minute fair value gap. As you can see, it was showing that. However, it looks like it's just a bit choppy right now, and it's about to say London high where my stop loss is. I was initially just, even though I am bullish, I'm just expecting a retracement to at least a H1 FVG or midnight open. That was the plan. However, if I get stopped out on this, I'll wait to see what happens. We don't have any news today. The first news of this week is on Wednesday. So today again could be just one of them days. Yeah, and that's me stopped out. So yeah, let's see how today goes. That's my first trade. I'll take another trade after this, maybe a market open. But right now, I do see it going up, and potentially, like people always say, don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. So maybe that's something I should have not done. Taking a short, I should have waited for some sort of confirmation here to go higher. However, that's a trade that I've just taken, and that's my analysis for today.